was on the 1st of May in the year 1769 that I resigned my domestic happiness for a time and left my family in peaceable habitation on the Yadkin River in North Carolina to wander through the wilderness of America in quest of the country of Kentucky, in the company with John Finley, John Stewart, Joseph Holden, James Monet, and William Cool. We proceeded successfully, and after a long, fatiguing journey through a mountainous wilderness in a westward direction, on the 7th day of June following, we had found ourselves on the Red River, where John Finley had formerly been trading with the Indians. And from the top of an eminence, saw with pleasure the beautiful level of Kentucky.